Hi, I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop.
Well, I got the mower up on the sawhorses, and I got it finally to fire off. So now all I got to do is just take the engine off. It's easy, right? So let's watch.
When I was a kid, making go-karts, time joint like that would be invaluable. Okay, we got those two taken off. I can get up and reach those bolts that the motor mounts down. That's great. Through bolts and... What the heck is that thing? Okay, there you get something to lay on, get underneath there and work on that. Because there is something funny in it. Get me something to lay on. Oh. Those are actually up here. They're small ones. There we go. Now I should be able to get that pulley right up through that hole, but while I got the engine mounted, it's a perfect time to get that pulley off of there. Didn't want to come easy? It will come. I think I'm going to do that when I got it up off the machine. I can clamp it down to a bench and put a good bar on it and get in there and pull that thing out of there. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 9/16 bolts. Motor came loose. I don't want it to flop down on my chest.
After about 10 minutes of fighting with the darn thing, finally just decided to cut it.
There. Motor's ready to come out of there. Take off all the loose pieces so I don't lose anything.
And so I thought that was easy too. No, I forgot something.
Got the choke cable loosened up. Now we'll take loose the throttle cable. Spin it around here. Oh, I think we have a balance issue. If I do this, it's going to tip over that way. It's going to fall right off the sawhorses.
No problem. I'll just tie it off to the engine hoist beam, and that'll keep the back end from flipping down and flinging the motor over the side.
Everything disconnected. Looks like it. Out she comes. Woo! That was a job and a half.
Now all I gotta do is clean up, pick up the tools. Everything's done, right? No, we're just beginning. Or tomorrow. If you have any suggestions for a new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. And there's lots more to come.